Hello there, I'm Bhavish, and in today's video we are going to look at calling a Java program or a Java compiled object, that is running a Java program from a command. So we are going to create a command which will in turn execute a Java program on AS400. So let's begin. As we have seen in previous videos, to create a command, we need various source codes. The first thing that we need is qcmdsrc. So I've already tested it before recording this video, but we'll create a new source for demonstration purposes. So the first artifact that we're going to need is a command source, that is qcmdsrc. Let's create a new command. A source type is going to be same, test Java execution through cmd. So command source usually begins with cmd and the name of the command, exec java. So we do not have any parameters to pass as of yet. We'll keep it simple and only have cmd and the name of the command that is there. We will then create a source inside qcl src. We need a cl program to call Java. So we'll create a cl program with the same name, exec java, and we have the boilerplate code for cl, pgm and pgm. And in between we will give some indentation and execute our Java code. A Java code can be executed through QSH. So what we are going to do is we are going to call QSH and we are going to pass a command to it. And here we are going to write make it lowercase and write the command to call the Java program. So Java and the name of the class that you're going to create. So a name of our class can be anything. Let's create a class called Lenovo. So Lenovo. So that is all we will have. QSH cmd and then the command to execute our Java program. Let's save it. So we'll give it a name. That's it. So we have our cmd and qcl src ready. Now what we need is we need a Java program with the class Lenovo. So let's create a Java program. We can create it with work lnk. We have created some simple Java programs before in our home directory. Let's create one more. But instead of creating it here, I find it much easier to do it in the Visual Studio Code. So we have Visual Studio Code connected with AS400 using the IBM Code for our extension. You can watch our previous videos where we explain how we connect AS400 with Visual Studio Code. So it is showing the same directory, my home/bnande directory, which is my AS400. And let us create a new source. Right, so we have to right click on the home directory or whichever directory we are in and click on new file. We'll give it a name, the same name that we have, lenovo.java, and it has created a lenovo.java in the home directory. Start writing the Java code. So class Lenovo. So Lenovo is our class name. We'll have the boilerplate code, public static void main string args, and we'll just display a statement, system.out.println hello from Lenovo Java program. Save our Java code. And for compilation, I guess we will have to execute a command from the bash terminal that is already connected. So let's do an ls. So we have lenovo.java. We compile it with java c lenovo.java. It has compiled. Let's look at the output. So test.class, yeah, lenovo.class file is created, which means our object code for Java is created. Now let us try to execute it once from the command line. It will be Java Lenovo, and indeed it has returned hello from Lenovo Java program. Now let's link it with the cmd and cl programs that we have. So we have already created the source codes for CL and CMD. Let's compile these. Let's compile the CL first. So I've done 14 and it is created. exec java CL program is created. Let's also compile the command source. qcmdsrc cc java is also created. So now we should be having an object of exec java. Let's see, work obj exec java. Yeah, so we have an exec java object command as well as the CL program. Let's execute exec java directly from the AS400 command line and see what is the output. And we get hello world, hello from Lenovo Java program, the same output that we got when we executed the Java program from the ifs directory. The program has run and we have completed our mission of executing Java code and linking it with a command and executing it from a command of AS400. So that is it for today's video. In the next videos, we will also learn about passing in arguments to the Java program. Thank you for watching. If you do like these videos, do subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.